Hi guys, this is iPod Master Malone here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the Apple USB power adapter. So in the box you have the power adapter, instruction manuals and the cable. So it's pretty lightweight. So to charge it, to make it charge, you plug in the sync cable into here, and then you plug it into the socket and then plug your iPod in. I have used this for about a couple of months now, and I would recommend it because it doesn't come with iPod. It only comes with iPhones and an iPad. So there will be lots of videos coming. This is my second video. In December, on Christmas time, there will be an iPod Touch 4G unboxing. I will do a review on the JS case as well. There's an unboxing, so click on the link now if you want to watch that. And please rate, comment, subscribe, and add me as a friend if you can. Thank you for the recommendations, and I love your videos. Soldier knows best. Bye.